Hello.
Hello. Welcome to our drawing lessons channel.
Today, we will be drawing Wade from the cartoon Elemental. For that, we will need a pencil, eraser, sketchbook, and colored pencils or markers.
Yes.
First, let's draw his face. We'll start with the outline of his face. Draw an oval shape, like an egg. Well done. Now, let's draw his hairstyle. His hairstyle is made of water. We draw it like this. Like waves in the sea. Do you like going to the sea?
Yes.
Now, let's draw his eyes, nose, and smile.
Yes.
One eye. And the other eye. Then the pupils. And the reflections. 1 and 2, like that. Now let's draw his nose. His nose looks like this. By the way, we will color it with colored markers, not black, because he's like water. Now let's draw his eyebrows. It's time to draw his
smile.
Yes. He has a big, wide smile, showing all his teeth. Let's do it. Now let's draw his teeth. Much better. Like this and this. Well done. Let's draw his body now. Start with the neck. And now let's draw his shape. He looks like a water droplet. This is the shape he has. Like this. Make it wider. Well done. Much better now. Let's draw his legs. Go ahead. Look, one leg like this. Connect it here. Is it good?
Sorry, Mom.
Sweetheart, try your best. Now let's draw his arms.
Yes, the arms. How can he be without arms?
Let's draw one arm up like this. And one arm to the side. And here we make a fist. And here are 2 fingers. He's a water element, after all. Funny, isn't it?
Yes, it's fun.
Let's draw 2 thin fingers for him. 1 and 2. And this arm will just be like this. Now let's draw his clothing. Let's draw the sleeves. And look, draw lines here.
He has a nice t-shirt.
Let's draw a drop here for him. Now let's draw the sleeve here too. We haven't finished drawing his t-shirt yet. Let's do it. It ends here. So, does it look like him?
Not really for me.
How about mine?
Yours looks like him. Mine doesn't look quite right. Why?
You need to try harder. Now we'll put away our pencils and take markers to outline him. But we'll use black for the clothing and blue for the body, because he's water. If we use black, it won't look very nice. Put away the markers and take an eraser to erase the extra lines.
Thank you. Mom, we forgot to draw something.
We forgot to draw bubbles of air inside his body. Let's do it.
Subscribe to our channel and give us likes,
so you won't miss our new drawing lessons. Well, shall we show how ours turned out?
Yes.